Hey guys, got this little 4-horse Tecumseh off a wood chipper and put this pulley on it. So I want to do something with it. I don't know what yet, but there we go. My light finally decided to kick on. And it was sitting outside for who knows how long. And here's the carburetor. That's not good. Definitely not good. Oh dear, up. Let's see, up. That's not good either. Yeah, so I had this push mower over here, this Toro. It had the motor go out on it, so I put this motor on it from a pressure washer. And the carburetor was still fine, so I took the carb off, put it on this sucker, put the airbox on it, and it runs pretty well. Got a massive crankshaft that like a big 19-horse Briggs I have has on it. I think it was rusted out internally. I don't remember. I looked in there and it had rust in it. I need to figure out where my spark plug wrench went. It's right here. Oh dear God. Wait. I think my stupid idiot self is... This is tightening. This is loosening. There it goes. Oh, yeah. See, this spark plug was in there for not even a day. It's wet and charred. In there. There was some rust in it, I think. Last time I looked. See the pitting, I see pitting in there. The valves in there. Down there in the cylinder. Let me see if I can get the... Get the piston up. There's the piston. The piston barely, but there's a lot of carbon on it, and it was, I don't know how, but there was rust on it. Rust had settled in there. Which doesn't surprise me on the state of the carburetor, but yeah. You know what the heck? I got my original spark plug to it. Display. No, it wasn't this one. So one more. Where is it? In my magical drawer of spark plugs. One of these was the original, this one right here. This one. This is the original plug to it. Yeah, hell, let's put it back in. Let me just take this random other Champion spark plug, the J19LM, common in a lot of Briggs and Stratton motors, and put it in there. You know, as I saw this on it, figured it was shot, but oh, let's put it in there. Tomorrow, I'll see if it'll run. Ran today. There we go. Yeah. There we go. I didn't check the oil yet either. Who bet that has some water in it? I bet it has some water in it. Yeah. It's a little milky there. I would say that has water in it. Let's see it's above the fill mark on it. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so this is the little 4-horse Tecumseh. If anyone can tell me how old this thing is, I would like to know. I can give you the model number of it right there. Go tell me in the comments how old this thing is. I'm too lazy to search it up myself, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty old. It was on a Craftsman wood chipper. Yeah, so this had a massive chipper thing on it. So when you spun it over, it would just spin, and it felt like it had no compression, but it has a good amount of compression. Yeah, so this is it. Just wanted to show you guys, and see you next time.